Oh, get her.
We took care of a bird,
No,
which keeps on getting out.
Don't even stay. Stay. There, look, the wings.
Oh shoot!
No, it's fine.
Oh look, you see
Get
that?
out of the corner. That's how its neck is. You see that's how you seen the back too? That's how it is.
And guys, we saved it from a basement. It had a string in its legs, but we got it out. And we made this for him. We used to have this for him, but then we changed it to this. Our little bird, we saved.
What are we gonna name him?
We shouldn't name him. We're gonna let him go soon. I like this bird. I just took a screenshot.
Oh yeah, we should take a picture. So we show mom. Alright, so let's take him out. After I move his cup. And then
Yeah, can you move your hand real quick? Guys, this was a lot of work. We found a few other birds. I think he's hurt over there. Or is he fine?
He is fine. He just can't fly yet. He hops a lot. We tried catching him.
We tried catching another one. He looks old. I think that's mama bird. Yeah, this is mama bird, I think. See that black thing? Yeah, that's it. But still, guys, we're so happy that we found this bird and that we're taking care of it. And I will show you where we found it. Oh my god, it was on top of the car! Punch, we can all punch shots. And our license. Oh, punch. We found it in this basement. It was all the way down there. And then we brought it up. It was really hard. And we brought it all the way over here. That's the story of the little bird. Okay, now, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of boring, but we found the bird. He's so cute. So we will see you next time, guys. Bye. Say bye, birdie. Say bye.